Hey everyone, welcome back. Just going to post a quick update in this bedroom. You can see a little bit. Let me turn the light on here. I hope. I don't know. Anyway, this is an update about that wooden ledge detail. It's been put in below the windowsill. As you can see, it's coming out quite nice. It's ready for the face to be applied on the part where you can see the white trim behind. That's coming real soon. But it's been leveled and attached, and it's sturdy, and you can see the window trim, the casings around the windows rather, are installed now, which is good. Just going back over here, just to show you where I left off in my last video, which I haven't posted yet. This is what the built-in desk height would be. Pay no attention to the legs or the giant wood timber below. All I was doing here was working with Rusty yesterday. He got the stuff cut up, and we laminated the top. So as you can see, it's 2 pieces of 1/2 inch material that's been glued and liberally screwed together to make one contiguous sheet of 1 inch material. As you can tell, the top, the 1/2 inch is sapele, and the bottom, as you can see, is just regular plywood, birch, I think. But anyway, you can see maybe here in the corner that the corner is mitered right here where it meets. Running out. It should be a really slick install when it's all done. A lot of attention to detail, doing the best that we could with the materials. You just can't get sheets of this stuff in anything longer than 8 foot, so it had to be done and seamed. But I think when it's all finished and done, the seam will be relatively invisible. It should look pretty good. So yeah, this is all in preparation. We need to pull these back out. They were done as a giant jigsaw piece that can actually slide out, and now that they can slide out, we can remove them from their temporary legs and the temporary base. There's a cleat on the wall that holds the backside that's permanent. We'll slide those out, and then the guys should be installing the floors here real soon, probably, I don't know, 2 weeks out. They should be here in a week. I don't know how long we have to acclimate, but we're going to go by the book on them to preserve the warranty. Anyway, that's what's been going on here. I think what's about to come in the next series of videos is some more base trim and things like that downstairs, cleaning up, stopping the wood shop show, because as you can see, the trim is around most things. It's just time to start wrapping things up. So I'm pretty excited about it. Hopefully the next week brings some high levels of productivity. All right, as you can see, we've got the wooden trim here. A little bit more to do around the house, but by and large, it's getting there. Just got to finish it up, get the stain on it, get the paint applied in the spots where we have new trim. As you can see, the white needs to be cut in with paint. But that's kind of where we're at. All right, thanks everyone.